to show you how to set up your Etsy listing image, the correct pixels and dimensions that you want to do for your Etsy listings. First thing we're going to do is go to custom size. We want it to be at least 2000 pixels, so that way it's high quality and typically about 4:3 ratio. So I like to do 2700 by 2025 pixels. So we can do pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. I like to keep it at pixels and then create new design. And then it's going to open up a new tab for us and we can get started. Now, sometimes Etsy will change the sizes, so we want to be prepared for that. What I personally like to do is I like to add a square to my listing here when I'm working on and making sure that I'm staying within this square. So I'm going to center it. Then when we have this little circle here with the arrow, we can actually click that and then drag, and it's going to add a line in a ruler. So I'm going to add that and then click and drag again and add it there. So that way, when I remove my square, I know that I need to stay within this, and this is the square that I'm working on. In case, for some reason, Etsy is only promoting a square image, I know that I'm still safe within that. And if you want to see how to add a automatic thank you message for your buyers to give them a coupon code or to thank them, just to give them that brand authority and to create repeat customers, check out this video here.